Hello, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. This is a Sea Ray 310 SLX model year 2023 brokerage listing that is just hitting the market. We're going to take you guys through a quick walkthrough of this single owner boat. It's been maintained professionally in amazing condition, as you'll see here in this video. Very, very well equipped. We have about 290 engine hours. The boat is going in for its 300-hour service in January 2024. I'm sorry, January 2025. So the boat's tuned up and ready for the next owner. We have a full black hull side upgrade with the white stripe. Super sleek looking boat. Stone interior. Color matched engines. As you can see, everything is in fantastic shape. Very well maintained. This boat stays covered anytime it's not in use. We'll step on here on the port side boarding platform. All the engine cowlings are in great shape. Engines are flushed after every single use. You can see we have the quick connect engine flush. Makes it easy for flushing your engines. Large transom lounger here along the back. Storage underneath. All covered by the aft sunshade. All the upholstery, as you see when we go through the boat, is in great condition. As we go through the starboard side, we have a freshwater washdown, battery switches inside that compartment, a boarding step, we are equipped with the summer kitchen. So we have an electric grill, a sink, and a refrigerator inside that compartment. Very spacious entertaining area, wraparound seating, upgraded teak table that does stow down inside the aft hatch to increase the space if desired, and just seating everywhere you look. This port side seat does swivel around, so whether you want to turn it aft as it sits now, or spin it around to face forward when you're running the boat. Upgraded electronics, so we have the dual Simrad touchscreen displays, Bocatech switching along the dash, auto trim tabs, spotlight, Mercury throttle system, joystick with autopilot and skyhook, so all the great features you guys are used to. Do have the upgraded head, well appointed down in this area. As we head up to the bow, you'll note very spacious area. We do have the bow filler cushion, so the center area that's open can be filled in and expand the seating. Windlass anchor, spotlight, another freshwater washdown here. And again, as you pan around, you'll see the condition of all the seats, the decking, everything on this boat is in very, very good condition. Again, this is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax, taking you through 2023 310 SLX Sea Ray, a new listing that we have out of our Stuart office. Please feel free to give me a call directly for more info, or if you'd like to set up a showing, 561-635-6811. Thank you very much for watching.